In the number system that we use, the position of the digits in the number represent place values that change the value of the actual number. For example, in this number, 1,492, we have a 2 in the ones place, a 9 in the tens place, a 4 in the hundreds place, and a 1 in the thousands place. That 2 in the ones place actually means 2 times 10 to the 0, or 2 times 1, just a 2. However, the 9 in the tens place means 9 times 10 to the first power, 9 times 10, which is 90. The 4 represents 4 times 10 to the 2, or 4 times 100, 400. And the 1 represents a 1 times 10 to the third, or 1 times 1,000, 1,000. Something similar happens after the decimal point. If this number had 0.357 added to it, the 3 in this number represents the tenths place, the 5 represents the hundredths place, and the 7 represents the thousandths place. In other words, that digit 3 represents 3 times 10 to the negative 1, or 3 times 1/10, 0.3, because it comes one place after the decimal point. The 5 represents 5 times 10 to the negative 2, or 5 times 1/100th, 0.05, because it comes two places after the decimal point. And the 7, because it comes three places after the decimal point, represents 7 times 10 to the negative 3, or 7 times 1/1000th, 0.007. If we were to take all of these values that we got from multiplying the digits times their place value and added them together, we would get the number 1,492.357, that value. That's the way our number system works. If I want to round this number to a less precision so that the only digits I have are the first digits before the decimal point and 2 digits after the decimal point, I would be rounding this to the precision to the hundredths. What that means is that the result we get will be within 0.005 of the actual number, but describe a different number with less precision. In order to do that rounding, I look at the digit that comes after the hundredths place. There's a 5 in the hundredths place. The digit that comes after is a 7. Because the 7 is closer to the higher value, 0.36, than the lower value, 0.35, I would round this number to 1,492.36 to stay within 0.005 of the original number. If instead I wanted to round this number to a precision of tenths, to the nearest tenth, the 3 digit is in the tenths place, I would look at the digit after that. The digit after that in the hundredths place is a 5. Because it's 5 or higher, it would round up, making the new number 1,492.4, which is within 0.05 of the original number. Finally, if I wanted to round this number to the nearest whole number, or to the ones place, and have no decimal portion to this number, I would look at the first digit that comes after the decimal point in the tenths place, or comes after the ones place that we're looking to round to. In this case, that digit is a 3. Because a 3 is less than 5, I would round down, and so the actual number rounded to the nearest whole number would be 1,492, within 0.5 of the original number, 1,492.357.